Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy to Board Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check columns dataset in Jupyter interactive computing environment with Python. So for this case I will go to the platform that I will work. Here I have cut it, select, then cut it. See, now I want to check the column. So how? This is the thing, it has come. See how many column, it has not been mentioned here. See, now I will check the thing, the whole column. So let's check. So here this has been numpy pandas play. See, the thing has been working. Now I want to check the data. See the thing, and I will play. See, the thing has here. So in this way the thing has been revealed. Or also we can do the another things. Let's check how. Data 1, this is the object that I have been create, and variable who has been hold the value, column value or row value, that is the whole data set has been here. So now I want only to check the column name. So here the things, and see, I have got this. What? All the columns has been revealed here. Let's check again. See here in this way. Here the A to 10 score, gender, ethnicity. So all this thing has been revealed here. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.